I'll be showing you how to replace your pressure cooker gasket, or also known as cooker rubber. So for today's demo, we'll be taking Prestige 3.5 liters clip-on pressure cooker. In case if you have no idea about which cooker model or capacity does your cooker belongs to, you can always cross-check your cooker bottom, where it will be clearly mentioned about the capacity and model and also the brand details. So once you have the details about your cooker model, capacity and brand, the second step will be to measure your diameter to place your gasket order. So for that, please take a measuring scale or a measuring tape. I'll be using a measuring tape today. So kindly place your measuring tape on the outer rim of your cooker and calculate the outer diameter of your cooker. So this will be your outer diameter for your gasket. In case to calculate the inner diameter, kindly place the measuring tape inside the cooker and take the inner measurement of your cooker. So once you have the perfect measurement of your gasket, you can place a suitable gasket for your pressure cooker. So now we already have a replacement gasket. So now we are going to replace our pressure cooker gasket. So for that, kindly take out your old gasket and make sure your lid is thoroughly cleaned without any food particles present inside. And also please make sure to wash your new gasket and make it clean and dry. So now we are going to fit it inside. So make sure that you always fit your gasket perfectly inside the cooker lid. So after that, kindly cross-check it by fitting it inside your cooker. So once it's done, it's perfectly fitted now. And also please make sure to change your gasket every 6 months.